Well, for me and Timaya is a small boy, and I could remember once upon a time when he first met me, he was like, "Ah, Baba, I did look up to you." But I was surprised today that he allowed his ego and his pride to like take over him. For heaven's sake, how many albums does he have? This is just his second album. I have 4 albums in the market. And I'm still me. I'm still existing. I have lasted 8 years right now. And very soon I'm gonna be celebrating my 10 years anniversary. So he's not in competition with me. And moreover, I don't count Timaya to be a dancehall artist. He's a Makossa artist. His style and pattern is Makossa. Should have been compared to what African China does. Yes, I must have inspired him in doing the pidgin thing and all that, breaking it down to the masses. But for him to come out and say, I don't enter the Lagos market. Yeah, I don't teach people how to write songs. When you know you cannot write good song, so I cannot be compared to Timaya. Any day, anytime. If he wants to diss me, I don't want us to diss on album level. But if it warrants that, if my marketer approves that, well, now money would they make for that one. But to prove it to the fans, let Timaya come on stage with me, one-on-one. Let's do a freestyle, because he said in his album that he's a freestyle artist. Let them not put vocoder in our microphone. Thank God, in live performance, they don't put vocoder and all that. Let myself and Timaya come and start doing freestyle. Lyrically, I am a Don Dada. Far much better than him, because when I came out when there was no vocoder in the studio. If anybody wants to listen to music, they should go and listen to The Return of the Legend. That's all I've got to say.